Your story is waiting for you to start your own journey. Because some of you're unsure what is your future look like. Some of you been pressured. Some of you been forced to follow someone's dream. But the truth is, you should follow someone's dream or follow someone's expectation. You need to focus your dream, your passion, and your talent. Those dreams help you become successful. You need to keep believing in yourself. Fight for it, no matter what is said. You need to keep fighting. Don't give up until your dream become reality. Trust me, you will be succeed if you keep believing in yourself. Fight for it, no matter what is said. You will be succeed. Fight it. Don't give up until your dream become reality. Trust me. Fight it. Don't give up. Even the world knocks you down, just rise up. Even the world knocks you down again, just stand up again. No matter what is said, you will be stand up. Fight it. Rise up. No matter what is said, you will become successful one day. Keep fighting. Don't give up until your dream become reality. Even though I have broken glasses, I still keep fighting. No matter what is said, I will keep fighting. Now it's your turn to keep fighting. Don't give up until your dream become reality. No matter what is said, you'll be succeed. If you want to be singer, just go for it. If you want to be a doctor, just go for it. What is it your dream? Just go for it. Don't give up and always keep fighting. Even the world never see you, just keep fighting. Don't give up until your dream become reality that you meant to be. Yes, keep fighting. Don't give up until your dream become reality. That is your story. You need to find your own path, your own story. It's your life, it's your story. No one will follow it. Only you can follow it. You need to focus your story, focus your journey. Don't give up until your dream become reality.